Here's how to mount a large canvas on a wall. This wall is made of brick, but you can use the same principle for any wall. Start by adding a piece of masking or painter's tape to the back of your canvas. Using a tape measure, measure the length of the canvas. Find the center of the canvas and using a pencil, make a mark in the middle of the tape. Then work out how many lugs you'll need to hang your canvas evenly and mark the place where they should go on each side of the tape. Once you've made a mark where each lug should go, pull the masking tape off the back of the canvas and stick it onto the wall where you're going to hang your piece. The marks on the tape are where you'll drill a hole, but before you drill, use a spirit level to check that the tape is straight. Once it's level, take your drill and drill where the markings are. A good way to avoid making a mess when you're drilling is to use a vacuum and let it suck up the dust as you drill. Once you've drilled all the holes, insert your lugs, hammer them in, and hang your canvas. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and hacks.